Welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups, where we make pop-up camping great again. I'm just kidding. That was terrible. I know. This is the middle of a series that we have just started answering pop-up questions. We have questions. You have questions. Drop a question. We'd be happy to answer it. If we don't know, we will find out, interview, whatever we need to do to answer your questions. Today's question is, how much does a pop-up camper cost? How much does a pop-up camper cost?
Well, you can find them for free, but sometimes a few $100s, and they need some elbow grease and some repairs and work, maybe a new canvas. But generally, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, or if you're trying to get something a little bigger and nicer, $4,000 to $8,000. This one we're in now is a little over 10, and our last camper was 7 or 8. The Fleetwood, that was a really nice high wall camper. We loved it. Our first one was a Starcraft 07, and it was in excellent shape. We paid $3,000 for that. We got a pretty good steal on it. They probably gave us a deal on it.
That was pre-COVID prices.
Pre-COVID prices,
yeah. You don't know the COVID shutdowns. There was a resurgence of people wanting to explore the land camping
Get outside
again.
And not wear masks. Glory to God.
Values went up. Ever since then, it's harder to find them. You really got to find a good deal. You've got to watch Facebook Marketplace or wherever you're looking, like daily.
And you got to move quick to go look.
Yeah.
Go ready to buy. Okay, so it just depends on what you're looking for, what your budget is, and how frugal you are, and what kind of a deal you want.
And what amenities do you want? Which ones are deal breakers? Do you have to have the bathroom? Do you have to have the AC, the slide out? If you want everything, you're going to pay $10,000 to $30,000.
Well, you can find it. You can find it for $5,000 or $7,000.
If you want new, if you're brand new, I would say get a lower starter level personally. But if you just gotta have something new, it's going to be $10,000 to $30,000 depending on how much amenities you want. That's AC, slide out, refrigerator, stove, sink, everything that an RV has to offer is in a pop-up camper. So you got to decide what you want. I personally would say if you want a solid starter pop-up camper, I would say 3 to 8 is probably $1,000 is the sweet spot. If you're spending 10, you better be getting a really nice camper. I hope that answers your questions. We want to know what deals you guys got. Do you think you overpaid? You can tell. You don't have to say. But let us know.
They love to spend money.
Oh, yeah. If it's got what you want, we drove like 5 hours to get this thing because we knew it's what we wanted.
If you don't want to drive 4 or 5 hours, or you find something you like and you're willing to pay the money, pay the money. Take that thing off the market, and no one else can buy it.
Right.
If you want the deal and you're looking for just the right fit, drive 4 to 6 hours. Don't worry about it. You can camp on the way back and try it out.
That's what we did.
That's what we did. And you can put that state on your map if it's not a state you live in. Hey, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe now if you haven't done so. Smash the bell so you get updated with all these questions and can share them with your friends.
Let us know your questions. How much did you pay for your pop-up camper?
If you have a question you'd like us to answer, if it's not in our list, then we'll add it to it. And until next time, happy camping.
Happy camping.